Creating a bomb in Unity involves two parts: producing and launching it, then handling the explosion. Let's go for first part. What we need is an object called bomb. This is my bomb. It has a blue trail which made it more interesting. Without it long time ago. We need a couple of objects in scene, till as bomb explodes, they throw away. Let's go for creating and launching bomb. Create an object and a script called launcher. Give a script to launcher and make launcher subset of camera. Then right click on transform and select reset till its position be exact like camera. We want by holding a space bomb lines. So use input.getQueueDown. Then in parentheses write keycode space. Now we must produce the bomb. So up here define a game object called bomb prefab. Then here write instantiate command. After producing, the bomb needs to be launched. So write bomb.getComponent rigid body, then write @force command in parentheses. First part transform.forward times the launching speed of bomb. And second part is force mode, cause we wanna launch a bomb force mode.impulse. Let's go to Unity. Add a rigid body to the bomb object to implement physics rules. It already has collider. Now by dragging it into the assets section, convert it to prefab. Now remove it from the scene and give bomb prefab to launcher. Let's test. Bomb produces and launches. Change the launcher angle a bit till launching has a better view. Let's go for next part, which is explosion. Double click on bomb prefab in scene. Create and add a bomb script for it. First thing to define is collision command, which happens by on collision enter void. Important point here is how we can get all objects in a certain range. For this, define a collider array equal to physics.overlapSphere. With this command, we can get all objects in a certain range. In parentheses, transform.position means or position, and after it, the desired range of effect. Now we got all objects within a 7-unit range around our bomb. Get all objects with for each command and define a rigid body called RB and get all object rigid body. What for? To throw each object away. Below it, we need an if. If RB was not equal to null, means all objects that have rigid body in bomb range can be thrown away. And at last, with RB.addExplosion force, you can throw that object away. First part is throwing power, second part bomb position, and third part it's radius, which I enter number 7. At last, write destroy command till the bomb destroys as collision happens. Let's go to Unity. By clicking this tiny arrow, we can come back to scene again. Remember, all objects that you wanna throw away must have rigid body. Let's go for test. By pressing a space button, bomb lines and explodes. After it, objects throw around. Till now, everything was correct. But what we need now is an explosion particle to make the job so natural. I use this particle. Now convert particle to prefab and go to bomb script. Define a game object called particle. Produce particle with instantiate command and destroy it after 2 seconds. And this is the final result. By pressing a space, the bomb produces lines and after collision explodes. Then its particle produces. After it, all objects around it throws away. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.